Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about an important programming concept, the guard statement. Let's get started. A guard statement is a conditional statement that checks a condition at the beginning of a function or method. If the condition is not met, the function immediately returns a value or raises an exception. Think of it like a gatekeeper. If the gatekeeper doesn't approve, you can't enter the function. In this example, we have a guard statement that checks if the number is negative. If it is, the function immediately returns an error message. This prevents the program from performing an invalid operation. Let's try running the code with a valid number and an invalid number to see how the guard statement works. Guard statements help make your code more readable, prevent errors early, and keep your logic clean and simple. And that's all about guard statements. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials. See you in the next video.